right here on YouTube, there's a lot of people who are claiming that you have this secret bank account, that your social security number is to a secret trust account, and that all you have to do is file a 1099-A or a 1099-C, and your bills are going to be paid. And if you believe that, you need to continue watching this video. And I want you to listen very close, because I have an individual who came to me, and this person is on the verge of potentially losing their home, losing their car, and other property, because they paid a company $10,000, and this company forged documents as if their debt was paid or canceled. And I'm here to tell you, there have been a lot of people here on YouTube, here on TikTok, and they are making these claims, and they're telling people all of this stuff about your bills are paid and that there's this secret trust account. And I'm here to tell you that all of that stuff is false. Now, let me just say some things real quick, because I've been talking about this stuff since 1994. These people have popped up, and then a lot of them have disappeared. There was a number of individuals last year that were right here on these platforms, and they have now disappeared. I've been talking about credit and debt since 1994. Me and my wife got out of $300,000 in debt without filing bankruptcy. It took us 5 years. I know that you are struggling, that you are looking for answers, you're looking for solutions, and people can make it sound very good. We have all of these different platforms where people could just say anything that they want, and some of them can convince you and make you feel that it's believable. And I want you to stay positive. I want you to not lose your trust in people. I want you to be able to have a better life. But you got to understand, and you deep down know this, that you want to protect your family. You want to protect yourself. You don't want to fall for these types of gimmicks and these ploys and all of these things that people are just throwing out there. But I'm here to tell you that if someone tells you, I can confidently say, if someone tells you that your bills can be paid and all you have to do is pay them some money and they're going to get access to your secret trust account and all of your bills are going to be paid, utility bills, your car, your mortgage, all of this stuff, it is not true. But let's ask this one question. This one question, when I was thinking about making this video, something came to my mind that I had never said, or maybe I did say it in one of my older videos about these scams. If a secret trust account really existed, why are these individuals asking for your hard-earned money to do that work? Why wouldn't they just go and get the money out of your secret trust account? So don't send any of these people any of your money. Don't Cash App them, don't Zelle, don't do credit card, don't give them any of your money, because it's all lies. None of it is true. Now, for this person that I'm talking to that motivated me to make this video, where $10,000 of hard-earned money was spent on something that could potentially have them be able to lose their home, car, other personal property, I'm going to do my best to get that $10,000 back for this person. If you have fallen for these gimmicks and you need help, visit thecreditrepairshop.com, send us an email, and we will look at your situation and see how we can help. I can tell you, this is what we've had to do for people. People have came to us and they've fallen for these gimmicks and these lies and given those people their hard-earned money, and they were in the situation of where they were going to lose their car. And we had to do what we could do to be able to help that individual not lose their car. And then another thing that is, let's go over the ways that you can verify before I go more into that. So this is how because people will be like, Steve, you just don't want us to have the secrets. You just don't, you're just, it's true and you just don't know about it. Don't take my word on it. This is exactly what I asked this individual to do. And then the proof will be right there in your face. So if you use one of these companies, and in those companies, and she sent me the documents where they had actually really forged documents of a 1099-C cancellation of debt. The only one who can produce that document is the company who made the loan. No one else can produce a document that says 1099-C for cancellation of debt and put another company's name on there. That is forging of documents. But this is what you could do. If you've fallen for these scams and gimmicks with these companies, this is what you could do so you don't have to take my word on it. And this is what this individual did, is you can call the IRS. The IRS has to have copies of those documents. And that's what they say in those videos and their programs that these people are selling to people, that the IRS, you submit that to the IRS, submit it to the Treasury and all that. Wouldn't, if you made a call to them, wouldn't they have records of those documents? And if you submitted those documents, you could be putting yourself in a bad situation, a very bad situation, because that would be forging of documents, of IRS documents with another company's name and information on there. You cannot do that, and another company cannot do that. Only the company who made the loan can cancel the debt. Only the company who made the loan can cancel the debt. Or only the company who controls the debt can cancel the debt. And if a debt collector buys the debt, technically they cannot cancel the total amount of the debt. They can only cancel the amount that they paid for that debt. So what you can do is you can call the IRS. The individual called the IRS. They had no record of it. That's one place. Second place, call the company who has the name, who that company put on there as the creditor, who claimed that the debt was canceled. Call that company and say, do you still owe that debt? That's all you got to say. When this individual called the company and said, do I still owe the debt that they have in their hand that says cancellation of debt for that amount of money? And guess what that company said? You owe us the money. They had no idea of what they were talking about. So this is very dangerous. Imagine you give your money to a company. They say that they're going to get the debt canceled from some secret trust account, and you're sitting in your home, and all of a sudden they come and you are served documents saying that you've been foreclosed on, because that is exactly what's going to happen. And then those companies will be long gone. Now, this company is still there. I'm not going to mention her name because we're in the process of getting the money back. It was $10,000. If you're in that same situation, contact us, because there is no way that this stuff can happen. No way. Zero. And these individuals need to be stopped. They should not be able. Why would they take anybody's money when there's a secret trust account? Why would they take, if there's a secret trust account and the money is there in your secret trust account, why would they have to take your money? Why would they have to take your money? Another thing that is common with these companies is they'll make these claims and they'll say stuff like, well, money is worthless. They will say money is worthless. Well, if money is worthless, why would they take your worthless money? So all of this stuff is just, it comes back to the bottom line, is that when you're struggling, when you're under a lot of pressure, you're looking for solutions, you're looking for answers, you're hoping, you're staying positive, and people can make it sound good. But the test of time, and this is what I stand behind, the test of time for what I do, for people is, number one, we answer the phone if somebody calls. We're going to talk to you. If we can do it, we can do it. If we can't do it, we're going to tell you we can't do it. We're going to be upfront and honest. And we're going to give you solutions even before you pay any money to us. We don't do none of that stuff that they're talking about. We don't do any of this stuff talking about there's some secret trust account. There is no way that you can force a company to do a 1099-C. Now, you can request due to hardship, but there's no way that you can force them to do it. That is their choice. And then if they decide to do it, they're going to submit that to the IRS. That's why the IRS would have a copy of that document. And you would be able to call them up. And the reason why the IRS cares is because they're going to consider that as income. When the debt is canceled, the IRS considers the number, the dollar amount that's on there as the cancellation as income to the individual who had gotten the credit or the money. So that's why. And so with us, I've been doing this stuff for individuals and families since 2006. That's 20 years straight. Here for you, 20 years straight. Did it for my family and business owners, starting for myself in 1994 to 1999. And I helped business owners from 2000 until 2006 before I started helping consumers. And the only reason why I didn't help consumers at that time is because I was helping my business partner, well, not partners, my business customers, because I wanted to protect my advertising company. So I was sharing with them on how they can fix their credit and get out of debt. And then they started sending their family members saying, hey, you helped my brother, my cousin. And so I made it into a business. And we've been doing this now for 20 years, going on 21 years. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. Some credit repair is gonna require settlement services. I'm saying that up front to you right now. If you need your credit reports and scores, because everything starts there, go to the website www.your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors who are coming after you before suing you, they're just sending you debt collection letters, you can go to summonsmaster.com and get an exclusive certified debt validation letter that can stop them in their tracks if you do this early. If you didn't do anything and you froze and you didn't know what to do, what to say, you can go to summonsmaster.com, and if they're suing you, you can go to summonsmaster.com and get a court-ready response to your lawsuit. Create it instantly. It'll scan it, not ChatGPT it. This is based off of the results that we've been able to get for our clients who were getting sued. As always, thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel and post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com and creator and founder of summonsmaster.com.